everyone. Thank you for joining us in our May 2023 edition of Coffee Talk. I am Arveny Rodriguez, your realtor here in the Tampa Bay area with the Rodriguez Premier Group at Keller Williams. And as we do every month, bring you, our viewers, information as to how the market is doing. And of course, the market, we're talking about the real estate market here in the Tampa Bay area. So let's get started. The Bank of Tampa Realtor statistics for the month of April of this year are as follows. So the average sales price, when we look at 2022, April of 2022, was somewhere around $448,000. Now, if we look at last month, April of 2023, that number actually was $453,000. So we actually surpassed the sales price from April of 2022. Great news for homeowners. The market is definitely moving and we're still seeing uptick throughout the month of May as well. Now, the average sales price in March of this year to April actually was over $13,000. So that's, again, great news for home buyers and homeowners actually that are selling their homes. The average days on the market. So when we look at how long is the market staying on the staying for sale before it actually goes on the contract on average, it's actually 55 days in April of this year. So that's up from 25 days in April of 2022. And again, the reason being is because of inventory. In April of 2022, we had somewhere around 3,700 homes. Fast forward April of 2023, that number went up to over 6,300 homes. So we had 2,600 homes, more homes for sale in the month of April of this year over last year. So hence, that's the reason why you're seeing that they're taking a little bit longer to sell. So definitely, just a normal market. However, when we look at the inventory from March of 2023 to April of 2023, we see that actually there are 688 less homes on the market. So we're seeing the trend going downwards, where we're seeing actually less homes on the market from month to month. Now, month of inventory is around 2 months, and that's actually a good thing. We've had that now steady for about 3 months. So definitely a good indication that it's still a great time to sell your home. We're continuing to see more activity on the buyer side and more homes receiving multiple offers. And again, because the less homes and they're priced well. Today we have a guest speaker and her name is Erica Paradise with Silver Bay Lending. So hey Erica, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Arveny.
Awesome, it's great having you always here at the Coffee Talk edition. And just wanted to talk a little bit about the types of loans and what services you're able to offer our viewers.
Sure, great. Yes, my name is Erica Paradise with Silver Bay Lending. I'm a second generation mortgage banker. My mom owned a mortgage company, so I have a lot of background information for everybody's customers. A couple of products we have is a normal FHA and conventional loans. We have our USDA loans, which in certain areas, and especially in this area, they are eligible for 100% financing with USDA. So that's really a helpful product. There are also some down payment assistance programs that are available for first-time home buyers or anyone who hasn't owned a home in the past 3 years. So it's a great opportunity. And there's also a Hometown Hero program.
Absolutely, that's a great program. And that's actually one of the reasons why I wanted you to again come back, because I know there's some changes in the works for the Hometown Heroes program. I'm super excited to have you here so that you can share with our viewers what those changes are.
Yeah, so this is a really good opportunity. So starting July 1st, everyone's going to be a hero, basically, which is fantastic. So it means if you buy a home or a loan amount is $300,000, we're giving $15,000 in assistance, which is tremendous. When you have short in funds, you don't want to rent anymore, why not buy your own home? They're going to give you $15,000. There's some limitations where a 640 minimum credit score, but I can always help with that. I'm really successful at helping people get into their homes or getting their credit score up. Sometimes just a little tweaking, and we can be really successful with that. And it works for many programs. That works for conventional loans, where it's only 3% down payment sometimes. USDA loans it works for. So not only 0% down payment, all the closing costs, and you can lower your loan amount. So then you'll lower loan amount too. So it's fantastic. We underwrite, process, and fund the loan ourselves, so we could do a quick closing. You don't have to worry about that 45-day closing. We could do a 3-week closing if needed, because we do everything in-house. So it's really important when you want to be competitive in a market. And it's a class. You have to just take a few minutes long, and it's online. So it's a great opportunity now. I know you mentioned there's a lack of inventory, and sometimes people might be skeptical on rates, but the rates are fair. And my biggest takeaway I tell clients is that if you wait until rates go lower at some point, we'll be back at where we were before, asking $40,000 over asking price, and then you can't use the program to bridge that gap.
That's true.
So, so I always say, if, people need a home, and it's a great opportunity if they can find the right home, but I wouldn't wait for rates to go down, because then they're gonna be at a bidding wars where you have to put $40,000-$50,000 over asking price.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think these programs that she's mentioning are fantastic. And the nice thing is that, she has a program for you. And it's all about getting you the best program out there. And what we normally do is we team up and we look for different options for the buyer. We don't just fit you in one particular program. It's all about giving you the options of the programs that are available. And then you get to choose which is the best one for you and your family, correct?
Correct, right. We do a side-by-side comparison, assistance, no assistance, because everybody is different. People have their own desires, lowest cash to close, lowest monthly payment, and we just listen to our customers and make sure we give them what they want.
No, absolutely. So if you want any more information, I know obviously she gave us a lot of information in a very short time. Give us a call at the number here, below our screen here, and we could get you in touch with Erica, and she'll be able to go over with you the different programs and what is, good for you in terms of a product, in terms of down payment assistance or not, right? Like she said, because she could do that side-by-side comparison. And if you're interested in buying a home, definitely still a great time to buy. Give us a call. We can definitely help you with that. If you're looking to sell, a great time to sell as well, because as you see, the prices are not really going down the way some people are thinking that they're really going down. I mean, they're pretty much sustained themselves when we look at the facts, right?
Yeah.
Year over year. So give us a call if you're looking to sell. We'll definitely help you with the market analysis. You can again call the number below and we'll help you with that. Thank you so much, Erica, for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely, always. And thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time at our Coffee Talk edition in the month of June. Bye now.
Thanks. Bye-bye.